Hello everybody, my name is Jaedin. Today I'm at the park. See, it's wonderful to be at the park today, and I love the park because I always go there with all my friends. And isn't it nice? And I always bring some of my little toys. Now I'm gonna go play at the park. Woo! Okay everybody, I'm gonna climb this rock ladder to go in the slide. Woo! I'm gonna slide my toy down it. Ready, set, go. Whee! That was fun. Now I'm gonna go to that place. Going to school, learning new ideas, and working hard are very important for our development. But it is also important for us to have fun, relax, and exercise. Playing at the park is a great way to exercise to improve health and get fit. Maintaining a well-balanced lifestyle helps us to feel good about ourselves, and it also helps us to achieve success in our journey through life. So let's keep our mind sharp, our body strong, and our spirit high so we can enjoy our life. Your pets can enjoy a day out with you at the dog park. There is also plenty of space for remote-controlled cars. Wow, those cars are fast. I wish I could drive one. Yahoo!